With gigabyte broadband, the wireless Wi-Fi hits over 900 Mbps with ease. It can even automatically adjust the router's lighting effects based on the local sunrise and sunset times. And this router, which allows you to see the sunshine over the Golden Mountain right at home, is the Huawei Router X3 Pro Golden Mountain Sunshine Edition, featuring ultra-high aesthetics and an insanely strong signal. It is no exaggeration to say that, in my eyes, it is as beautiful as a work of art. It feels so good looking whether placed in the living room or the bedroom, blending in perfectly with all kinds of home appliances and furniture. I also want to ask everyone here, do you think this Huawei router looks good? Type 1 if you think it's beautiful, type 2 if you don't. Aside from the advantage of looking great, thanks to Huawei's leading technology in communications, its wireless performance is also extremely impressive because it supports exclusive third-generation PLC technology. Even its power cord effectively serves as a network connection. This innovative powerline carrier communication technology means that even if you place a sub-router in an area without an Ethernet cable, it doesn't matter at all because it can transmit the network through your home's electrical wire. On top of that, Huawei's PLC technology reduces electrical interference on the network. Combined with Wi-Fi 7 technology and the Lingxiao chip, the Wi-Fi signal is now full in every corner of my house. The master bedroom and children's room, where the signal used to be poor and videos would constantly buffer, now have very fast wireless speeds. So for those users who always struggle with poor home wireless networks, you should definitely check out this Huawei Router X3 Pro Golden Mountain Sunshine set.